নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, myself Gopa Chakravarti from Greenhouse, Kiatala Road, Kolkata. So back again with a new episode. This season I can't think of without cottons. I have to show you cottons today. So again we start with cottons and you keep watching. Um, in the end I may go for some good ones, party wear ones. Not good ones, they're equally good, but the party wear ones, the ones they're a little more dressy. So we start with our mull cottons. Mull cottons from Greenhouse. ভীষণ সব সময় there's a চাহিদা for that, there's a demand for mull cottons from Greenhouse. Look at this pink and mauve. Who will not take this? এখন এর উপরে হাঙ্গামা হয়ে যাবে. So many of you will ask for this color. It's difficult, repeat the colors in batik. So come forward friends, fatafat le lijiye. Look at this. Color for your summer. Summery color. Watercolor. And these mull cottons, they hold the color, they retain the color. That is the beauty of mull cottons. Why they are in demand. Dhuye, keche, whatever, wash and wear, and these are such comfortable pieces. Look at these. এসব শাড়ি তো আমার এখন খুব ভালো লাগে. At this age, I feel wearing mulls. এত আরাম লাগে mulls গুলো পরলে. Look at this. This is such a stylish piece. And these mulls are going for 2050. Dear friends, they're hand batiks, they're wax batiks, lot of effort. 2050 for these mulls, and we are giving blouse pieces with these. Blouse piece with that border. এর সঙ্গে এক রঙের ব্লাউজ পরলেও ভালো লাগবে, তাই দেয়া হয়েছে. 2050 for my mulls. Another one. Ask Ranjana to take it out. Fold করে রাখো. Yes. Look at this. The lower part has a broader border and this has a sleeker one. This portion they've played with the colors. Eta achol. And this has a blouse piece, and this is costing 2050, dear friends. 2050. Oof. This color got sold, but there were so many requests for this color, so made it again. What an effect. This is not like regular prints. These are all, lot of processing is going on, done on this mull so that it retains the color. It will never fade. And the blouse piece with this sari is this one. Such a beautiful mixing of colors. This is sea green in color. Basic color is sea green. 2050, dear friends. 2050 for this mull. Same here. This is koto. Eta bodhe beshi dam na? Na. This is 2050. 2050 for all my mulls. They're super fine mulls. So many types of mulls in the market these days. But for my friends, I have selected these mulls, and look at this. What a beautiful effect. Mulls for your summers. 20450 again. And this kind of blouse piece with the sari. There's a border for the sleeves. Ooh, this color. So many we made. Again it had come. We were happy. We thought we'll show you this time also. This color. Crisp ones. Crisp cottons. एकेबारे खचाखच कॉटन्स, सुंदरता से भरपूर, ভীষণ মানে খুব আনন্দ হয় এগুলো পরলেই ভালো লাগে, মনটা ভালো হয়ে যায়। As long as you are comfortable with any fabric, it makes you relaxed. 2050 for all my mulls, and it has a blouse piece. This came today only and we thought we'll show you because this color was in demand. 2050 for this. Keep it properly, okay? These are the mulls which are made from a different artisan. That is why the cost has gone up. You know, he's a great artist. Look at this. What designs we get on silks and tassels we have made into mulls. तो mulls के लिए आपको थोड़ा प्राइस ज़्यादा में ही लेने पड़ेगा because they are from a very good artisan, the skilled person. ये सब silks में ही बनते हैं ये सब designs, but we have done it on mulls. And here's the blouse piece. The color is burgundy in color. The price is 2600. 26, almost 550 rupees more than that, those, because we've paid for their skill. 2600, dear friends, for this. $2,600. Same here, the same price, and same person is doing these mulls. Generally, these designs are done on silks and tassels, but we asked them to try it on our mulls, so they've made it like this. Beautiful effect. 2600 for all these. Best of cotton. And this one also, I'll give you, these are all mulls, but look at the designing. Actually design ta dekhun. Look at this, how beautiful. Look, they look very dressy when worn. They may not give you an impression wearing a mull. Maybe you look like wearing a silk or a tussar. Very rich effect. इसमें भी blouse piece दिया गया है. The blouse piece goes like this. And all price 2600. 2600. Now I'll come up with chanderis. You know, we prefer, sometimes we prefer chanderis to silks also because this gives a little luster और वो भी अच्छा लगता है. और the price is controlled, you know, and चंदेरी थोड़ा हल्की हो जाती है और price भी control हो जाता है, but ये सिल्क वाली लुक तो दे ही देती है. This is the one. देखो क्या सुंदर है. This is the aanchal portion. Will they give so much effort for making a chanderi look like this? Look at this. देखिए कितना सुंदर है. और ये पहन के आप लोग शाम को पार्टी में चले जाइए और एकदम सिल्क वाली इफेक्ट देती है, बिकॉज दिस इज सिल्क कॉटन. द मोर ऑफ सिल्क लेस ऑफ कॉटन, मोर ऑफ सिल्क. वॉप विप में जो दिया है प्रोपोर्शन, दैट इज द सिल्क पोर्शन इज मोर टू कॉटन. और इसमें ब्लाउजेस भी दिया गया है. दिस इज द ब्लाउज and this is priced 3400. 3400. ब्यूटीफुल. ये जब आप लोग पहनोगे आपको तब समझ आएगा. देखिए बहुत सुंदर लगेगी. 3400 for this piece. Look, we made it on Tussar, this design. You must be remembering. And this is from the same artisan. We have made it on this thing. And these are all batiks. They're not ordinary prints. ब्लॉक प्रिंट भी नहीं है, स्क्रीन प्रिंट भी नहीं है. ये एकदम वैक्स बाटिक प्रोसेसिंग करके बना हुआ है. रेजिस्ट डाइंग. Isn't it lustrous and all what we wanted? But they are not that chamkila one. They are matte finish, but they look very elegant, very elegant. These chanderis doesn't have that that shiny texture. This is a very moderate texture which looks nice on this thing skin. So okay. This is 3400 again with the blouse piece. 3400 dear friends with the blouse piece. This is a fresh green, the grass wala green, green grass. This is a, what you call it, a forest green. ये पहनने से ही सुंदर. इसका कलर देखिए. ये कलर लाना and this thing. Look at this. Such a stylish piece, though it is on batik. Batik is again a very traditional art, very traditional. देखो. This is 3400 with the blouse piece. The blouse piece goes like this. What a green. It will be very striking when worn. And this one. So gorgeous. Come on, those who are lovers of red. And red, always gives good texture to your skin, Indian skin. This red and maroon, সব সময় কিন্তু Indian skin খুব ভালো লাগে. Look at this. Such a stylish one. All wax batik. Also for how much? 3300. 3300 dear friends for this. 3300. Yeah, this is the one. এই কালারটা দেখুন, বাফ কালার. The coffee foam, that creamy coffee foam आती है ना कॉफी बनाने से, वो हल्की सी, वो very smooth texture. Try out these colors. And they're all nature related. Hiran bana hua hai and deer and what not. This is a Mangalik sign, holy. Kya sundar bana hua hai. Look at this. They look very pretty. More, they look very traditional. And this is the achal part. With these parallel lines, it has created a beauty. And here's the blouse piece for the sari. This is the chanderi with broad border. It is for 3400 dear friends. Chanderi with broad border, 3400 dear friends. Yeah, this is on a dhoni khali cotton. Dhonikhali is my love. So I keep making saris on Dhonikhali. Dhonikhali-te shari toiri kori and look at this. This is this year's design. এই বছরই আমরা এটাকে শুরু করেছি. This is kind of shadow work. Shadow work is filled with butas. Actually, this is supposed to be shadow ekটু হওয়া ছিল. Filled with French knots. This is the one. And all throughout, এই বুটাটাও খুব সুন্দর. Look at this kind of butas all throughout. On a biscuit color, huh? This resembles the biscuit. This is 3600, dear friends. 3600. 3600, my dear friends. 3600, but no blouse with this. Yeah, these are the multicolored. একটু দেখিয়ে দিই, এগুলোরও ডিমান্ড ছিল ভীষণ. It keeps happening in greenhouse, this time of multicolored ones. This is the Kutch work done. Total Kutch embroidery. And we have given a separate blouse with this. Actually, let me take out the whole sari is to be shown. The first 2.5 meters, we have covered the sari till the neckline. Okay, and purotai, sampurno sharitai amra dekhachi. And the second half, the pleated portion goes like this. You check the sari, please. The pleated portion has this because it will be all hidden. This won't show. This is the sari with this kind of BP with the sari. This is priced 3475. 3475. Okay, 3475 with the BP. 3475, dear friends, with the BP. Yes, please. This is one more. This is on a again this piece. How do you find this? Isn't it nice? All with a একদম সোলো কালার, একটা কালার দিয়ে পুরোটাকে করা হয়েছে. इसमें दिखता है मेहनत. And this is with this kind of BP. दिखती है मेहनत ये सब साड़ियों में. This is 3475. 3475. So this is like this. Let me keep it with you. These are the saris which I wanted to show you and thought आज ही दिखाने का मौका है तो आज दिखाएंगे आपको. इन साड़ियों में भी खासियत है, इसमें कट वर्क किया गया है and the portion they are highlighted with scalloping work and they are lightweight material. They are semi tussers, but they look dressy when worn. Sometimes you just wear it without thinking that what I am wearing. You know, this is very nice. ভালোই লাগে পরলে, মাঝে মাঝে পরলে তো পরাই যায়, খুব ফ্যাশন করার জন্য. Those who are very much in fashion, তাদের তো রোজ শাড়ি দরকার. Every time you want to change. So why not these? Look at this. This is a beautiful stuff. It's a beautiful piece with this blouse piece. They're all embroidered ones. ये जो जगह देखालाम अमी, ये जो दिखा रहे हैं, ये embroidery की गई है. Embroidery की गई है and पूरा साड़ी में काफी beauty है. It's very beautiful. And this is priced 3200, dear friends. 3200. Why not this saree? 3200. Send me a screenshot if you have liked the saree. And I'll do the needful. You send me a screenshot, then you transfer the money, put your address to me, and I will be delivering your this. That is my responsibility. 3200 for this one. 3200. Same here. This is a very good quality, soft one, lightweight, and a very decorative sari. All this is the embroidery is done with the computer embroidery with cut work. Isn't it lovely? काफी अच्छी है और खूबसूरत भी है. And the color especially. একটু ভালো করে দেখাও তো. Look at this. Can you? This is the cut work effect with the embroidery. Sari is like this, and the lower border is total 10 meters done up. Lower border is সম্পূর্ণ কাজ হয়েছে. And tone embroidery. Chotto, there's a tiny delicate motifs all throughout. It looks like embossed print, but they are embroidery done up. They're all embroidery. Beautiful sari. What I feel, it is just you can buy it. Look at this. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece has these tiny motifs all throughout, which is costing you 5885. 5885. 5885. This is a lovely pretty color. 5885. Yes. And this is the black Lambani, which so many of you asked for. The black one dikhaiye. So this is ready now. And this is on Dola Silk, my dear friends. Dola Silk also organic ones. Dola Silk bhi pure Dola Silk hai ye. और इसमें हैंड वर्क की गई है. There are 14 types of stitches on this sari to make it look like Lambani embroidery, a Lambani work. तो ভালো করে দেখাও. This is with mirrors and very traditional look. The black Lambani is waiting. It has to go to you. Jaldi. This is 6,200. 6,000. They are all handmade, dear. Needlework. Handmade stuff. Handmade stuff with little bit of sequins to just brighten up, and some mirrors have been used to give it that Lambani look to the sari, and the sari goes like this. ভালো করে দেখুন, अच्छी तरह देख लीजिए. Such a beauty. And this is on silk, and this is the blouse piece, which is very gorgeous. A thoughtful thing. Look how gorgeous it will look. The sari, the complete sari is going for 6,200 with this blouse piece. Blouse, I will just take it up and show you. Mast blouse hai. What an amazing, look at this. It's a handwork blouse with the sari with total आंचल embroidery और दोनों sleeves में ऐसे बनी हुई हैं. Both the sleeves covering with this kind of katha, total effect. This is the second sleeves. 6,200 and this is waiting to go. अभी तो जल्दी जल्दी ये भी चली जाएगी. 6,200. Look at this, how beautiful it looks. 6,200. And the twin one is waiting. दूसरी भी है. Look at this. So dressy. The achal, you see there are different type of stitches been used. They're all needlework, but different types of stitches with all buttonhole stitches. I can see there are very many. There's this French knots and bullions and stem stitches. Enjoy the sari. One of you must take और आराम से पहनिए. This is the sari with a very good color. मस्त कलर है और ब्लाउज पीस दिखा देते हैं आपको. वो भी क्यों छोड़ेंगे. ये देखिए ब्लाउज पीस. This is the blouse piece of the sari. It's so full, lot of work, lot of volume. And we have a different sleeves আছে. This is the second sleeve. And the cost for this is 6,200. 6,200, dear friends. And one, let me show you this one also. This is a very good quality tussar. This is a tussar weave. Can you make out this weave? This is kind of gicha weave. The material is decorated with embroidery, the beige in color. Total very ornamental with birds and branches. কি বাহারে শাড়িটা হয়েছে খুব elegant. And the blouse, look at this. This has got that gicha effect. This isn't gicha, but it has got that effect. This is all on tussar. Tussar sari, fabulous one. All jal embroidery, all throughout the sari. It's total sari is full of jal embroidery. The second half, as usual, it is like this, till this, above the knee. This is costing how much? Because we have 13,400, dear friends. 13,400. 13,400 for this sari. And this cut work on tussar. We have to put a cord piping and deliver it to you. I wanted to put a cord piping, but we thought we'll show you today. It is just made and it's in my hand. Dekhiye di, this is the cut work. Total jal work. Total jal embroidery. And if I put a cord piping of my choice, maybe a green will look nice on it, and I'll do it my way and I can deliver it to you. You choose the sari or you choose the color of the cord. Look at this. This is so very beautiful. Dear friends, this costs 10,800, please. 10,800 with the cord. 10,800 with the cord. Cord piping. And here's one sari which I long to show you. This is this is a Katan silk, very good quality silk. On it, the batik was done up, and we have, look, this encircled by Ari embroidery. They're all hand Ari work to give it a party look. This is a very good quality Sonamukhi Katan silk from Bengal. Heavy quality. Look at this. This will be styled. You can wear it. This is the batik. The tiny embroidery, this thing. The delicate ones, could you make out? These are all booties. All handwork booties. Quite laborious. ये काफी बूटीज से भरे हुए हैं. ये भरपूर बूटीज है. All booties all throughout. And the blouse is this one. This is a beautiful blue. देखो ब्लाउज टैटू देखिए दी. Take out the blouse. Look at the blouse piece. Blouse piece. It will make a beautiful, stylish blouse piece for you. So that was the last this thing of mine. This is priced 14,000 as it is on a very good quality heavy Sonamukhi silk. Pulle khub bhal lagbe, follow khub bhalo, and there's a lot of pleats comes in place. This is like this. This is the sari. That's all for today, friends. Thank you so much, and love you all, friends. Thank you.